Hi guys, this is Koby from Performance Toyota Service in Sinking Spring, Pennsylvania. Today we're going to walk you through how to schedule an appointment. Best way to reach us is at performancetoyotapa.com. If you click on the service tab, there's also a subtitle that you can click on, which is schedule a service appointment. If you serviced with us before, you can find yourself in the interface and the program itself. If not, if you're a new customer, which welcome, you can just put in some quick basic information and it will give you your quickest available time to get you in and out of here. We do offer a pickup and delivery service, and we do offer a shuttle service. I have 2 shuttle drivers here at all times to make sure that we can get you in and out of here as quick as possible. We do have a very limited loaner selection. We do have it upon request. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us at www.performancetoyotapa.com or 610-678-3425. Thank you.